Okay, if you're interested in DeFi yield farming, this is the project you should check out. And if you want a new mower, check this out. This guy bought one for 1.6 grand thanks to VaporFI. We'll talk about VaporFI within the video. We'll also create a node together. We'll see why DeFi yield farming is so cool. This is something you should definitely get into if you're interested in crypto. Something I personally am interested in, because when you have profits from coins that you've been holding for a while, maybe you're tethered up if you manage to sell at the high, you're waiting for a new dip to buy into, or you're a day trader just like me, you probably have some cash sitting around, you want to have at a reserve. Yield farming is a really cool place in my opinion. Keep in mind the video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. Slap the like button or I'll slap you. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll talk about DeFi farming. We'll check everything out together. Keep in mind I'm also a newbie. I'm learning a lot of things as I go. First of all, I want to tell you why I was interested in DeFi yield farming. Even Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, was talking about it. Yeah, because the rate, the ROI you can get relative to the risk, because there's obviously a lot of risk involved, is pretty good, in my opinion. And what they're promising right here, the VaporFi team, and I encourage you right after the video, just before we start and I show you how everything works, I want to tell you that you gotta check the Twitter, the Discord, which are very active. They're telling you good night. Look at this. How cool is that? They're very active on Twitter. They have a very active marketing team. In general, I really like the Discord chat. It's very active. You can rarely see that on some projects. Did you buy the VaporNodes? Yeah. So they're retweeting. It's just a very active community all around. So this is the first thing you want to check out. The second thing you want to check out is how strong 1% is. I just pull up a compound interest calculator for you guys. Zoom it in a little bit. So if you start, with just $100, you can get 1% daily, and it compounds. Let's say it compounds daily, right? In 12 months, it's gonna be an insane number. So brace yourself. $100, 12 months, 1% daily is 3.7 grand. So that's 3,700% increase, pretty much, right? If you start with 10 grand, it's gonna be 100 times more. I just want to emphasize how strong 1% yield is. 377 grand. This is insane, right? 37x or 370x. It's just insane. No matter how you look at it, it's an insane amount of money when you can compound your wealth. So we'll go over how we'll create a node right now, but I also encourage you to read the documentation, read some reviews, check the Twitter, check the Discord, right? Don't jump into projects just like this. Do your own homework. I'm just gonna show you the documentation right now. VaporFi aims to provide everyone the opportunity to participate in decentralized finance, DeFi. We took inspiration from industry leaders in the booming DeFi yield space and created our own innovation of Nodes protocol. We will provide a long-term sustainable environment that incentivizes long-term investments. Yield will be farmed and redistributed in equal proportion to your nodes relative to how much VPND is within them. So we'll see what the actual ROI is. We'll go over that in a little bit. In order to make VaporFi affordable to everyone, we have created a flexible node system. The minimum amount needed for creating a node is 1,000 VPND, which is very cheap. It's like $60 or so right now, and there is no maximum. Here's the Treasury investments, how to buy VPND tokens. Very easy. You just gotta set up the Avalanche mainnet, and I'll go ahead and create a node right here. All you gotta do is go on the website. I have a link for it in the description down below with my referral link. And after that, what you need to do is click on nodes right here, create a node, type my referral link here. Node will be code INU because all the INUs win. Node amount 1,000. Approving that real quick. You also need some AVAX. Clicking confirm. 12 cents in fees, that's not high. If you're using Ethereum, you know that's not high. And actually, I can do an update on how everything is progressing. Maybe I can invest 100,000 VPND into this. That would be cool. Exclusion reverted invalid length. Okay, so something is invalid. Maybe it's the referral. Okay, maybe I can try it myself as a referral. Huh. Let me try. Let me refresh that. Maybe you already have the notes. Okay, trying again. Inu, Niki, Nick. This continue. Referral. Okay, sponsor referral can be the same. Inu link. And continue. Mining, minting. Perfect. And the anticipation is on. We're waiting for it. And we should be good. Transaction confirmed. Yep, creates a successful, not involved VPND for another one. But we have the Inu Nick. ROE is 1%. Compound bonus 25%. Reward. Last claim was 23 seconds ago. Estimated daily income $1. What? That's very good, actually. Because spent less than 100. That's actually a really good ROI. You also have an ROI calculator. APY is 3.6,000%, which is insane. The APR 365, total node size 1,000. VPND reward in 30 days 347. Daily rewards in 30 days are 22.12. This is with 1,000 VPND. Let's say you can invest 100,000. 1, 2. That's $234. No, $234,000. What? That's insane. Definitely will be checking it out more. Let me know your thoughts though in the comment section down below, and we'll see you next video.